Stop throwing away marks on your date format. Format in paper 3 carries 5 marks, and most learners donate every single one of them to the examiner before writing a single sentence. In this video, I'm giving you the exact formal letter structure grade 12 examiners reward. Fix your format in 3 minutes. Let's go. First, the layout. This is non-negotiable. Top right corner, your address. No name here, just the street, town, and postal code. The postal code is not optional. Then skip a line. Now write the date. Write it out fully. For example, 12 May 2026. No slashes, no hyphens. This is a formal document, not a WhatsApp message. Then skip a line. Let's go to the left side now. The recipient's details. The title first, the manager or the principal. Then the business name. Then the address. Then skip a line. Salutation. If you don't know their name, and in most exam questions you won't, just write Dear Sir or Madam. It's your safest option. Now, the part every learner forgets, the subject line. 3 rules: capital letters, short, underlined. For example, complaint regarding expired goods. 1 line. Tells the examiner exactly what this letter is about. Miss this and you look unprepared before the body even begins. Now, let's look at the body. Do not ramble here. We use the 3-paragraph rule, and I'm running one complaint scenario straight through so you can see exactly how it works. Let's go to paragraph number 1. Here is the purpose. Why are you writing? For example, I am writing to express my dissatisfaction with expired goods purchased at your store. That is 1 sentence, straight to the point. Now let's look at paragraph number 2. Here you write the details. What happened? When? For example, on the 5th of March 2026, I purchased milk from your Thohoyandou branch. Upon arriving home, I discovered the product had expired 2 weeks prior. That is factual. Calm. No emotional outbursts. This is formal communication. Your paragraph number 3. Here you write the action. What must they do? For example, I kindly request that the item be replaced and that staff be reminded to check expiry dates regularly. And strong. Be specific about what you want. One final rule on language. Keep your register formal from start to finish. No slang, no contractions. For example, I cannot, not I can't. Informal register costs you marks even if your structure is perfect. And finally, the suitable ending. This is where learners drop the last mark. You started with Dear Sir or Madam because you don't know their name, so you end with yours faithfully. Here's how to remember it forever. You have faith that they exist, but you don't know them sincerely. Sign. Write your name below the signature. That's your format logged in. That is your 5 out of 5 format structure for the formal letter. But paper 3 doesn't stop there. The obituary has 1 formatting trap that almost every grade 12 learner walks straight into, and it costs them marks they should never lose. Click this video right now and I'll show you exactly how to avoid it. I'm Professor Reason. The class is dismissed.